Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word Manhours. Man-hours. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The construction project required thousands of man-hours to complete on time. Man-hours refers to the total number of hours worked by individuals, typically men, on a project or task to measure productivity and calculate labor costs. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.